Big news! The fourth generation Maruti Suzuki Dzire has achieved a 5-star adult protection safety rating and a 4-star child protection safety rating days ahead of its launch in the Indian market. This was a voluntary test by Maruti Suzuki, and random cars were taken off the line. And this car has been tested to the latest global NCAP standards. That's the new car assessment program. This is tested by the German car testing agency EDAC. As you can see over here, the car performed extremely well on a side impact test for adult and child protection. Of course, keep in mind, child protection numbers are for children who are in child restraint systems, that is a child seat or an infant carrier. Please make sure your children are always in these car seats and infant carriers for them to be very safe. This test included a side impact test, as you can see over here, and the car's side held on very, very well on this test. There was also a side pole impact as well as testing of the electronic stability control on the new Desire. Now, this is a very, very big deal for Maruti Suzuki because Maruti Suzuki cars have often been condemned by the public at large for being unsafe, being tin cans. And Maruti Suzuki has obviously been working very hard over the past few years to dispel that notion among the Indian car buying public. This is the side pole test. This is what happens when the B pillar of the car, that is between the two sets of doors, is slammed into a pole. Does the car wrap around the pole? How the car reacts to the pole? Now, the Desire, as you can see over here, has curtain airbags. It has 6 airbags as standard. That is why airbags are very, very important. This will dispel rumors of the Maruti making unsafe cars. This is also a pedestrian test over here. Everything was tested. These tests are more stringent than the Bharat NCAP tests are going to happen in India. And it's very sure that the Desire will also score very, very highly in the Bharat NCAP test. Kudos to Maruti Suzuki for doing this. They've done a fantastic job in promoting safety. This is a very, very big deal for the country's largest automaker.